Hello student, welcome to Easy Learning. Today I solve some problems of determinant from SND. Exercise 2B, long answer type question. Prove that determinant 1 plus a square minus b square twice ab minus 2b 2ab 1 minus a square plus b square twice a 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square that is equals to 1 plus a square plus b square whole to the power 3. CBSE 2008 and 2009. Solution. The given determinant of 1 plus a square minus b square twice ab minus 2b twice ab 1 minus a square plus b square twice a twice b minus twice a 1 minus a square minus b square. And if we apply this determinant, apply R1, that is this R1 is the new R1. How we can get the new R1? Now old R1, that is this R1 plus b into R3. If we apply this here, R1 that is equals to 1 plus a square minus b square plus b into R3, that means plus b into 2b, that is equals to plus 2b square. That can be written as 1 plus a square plus b square. And here first row second element twice ab plus of minus 2a into b, it is deducted, so it becomes 0. And this is minus b plus b into this, that is minus 2b plus b, that is minus b minus a square b minus b cube. And we also apply in the second row, that is R2, that is equals to R2 minus a into R3. And if we can apply this, we can get twice ab minus 2b into a, that is 0, 1 plus a square 1 minus a square plus b square minus a into minus 2a, that is plus 2a square, that is 1 plus a square plus b square twice a minus a minus a plus a cube minus 1 plus a b square. That is, if we simplify, we get a plus a cube plus a b square. And third row is unchanged. Maximum we can apply 2 rows and 2 columns. So third row is unchanged. So we see that if we simplify 1 plus a square plus b square 0, and if we take common minus b, we get minus b into 1 plus a square plus b square, that is 0 into 1 plus a square plus b square into, if we take common a, we get a into 1 plus a square plus b square. Third row is unchanged. So we say that taking common 1 plus a square plus b square from the first row and from the second row, we get taking common 1 plus a square plus b square from first row and second row, we get, if we take common 1 plus a square plus b square from first row, 1 plus a square plus b square, and if we take 1 plus a square plus b square from the second row, we can get 1 plus a square plus b square in whole square, that is into 1 0 minus b 0 1 a. Third row is unchanged, 2b minus 2a 1 minus a square minus b square. Again we apply, here first column is 1 0, first second column is 1 0. So we, if you want to convert the 2 cross 2 determinant, any one row or any one column must obtain 2 zeros maximum. So due to this reason, we apply this property, this row transformation, R3 that is equals to R3 minus 2b into R1. If we apply R3 minus 2b into R1, that is 2b minus 2b, that is 0. The first row is unchanged, second row is unchanged, third row we apply, and minus 2a minus 2b into 0, that is minus 2a, 1 minus a square minus b square minus 2b into minus b, that is plus b square, that is equals to 1 minus a square plus b square. So expanding the determinant, in this determinant first column has 2 zeros, so we expand this determinant with respect to the first column, and we get 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into, if we delete this, we get 1a minus 2a, 1 minus a square plus b square. Again we can expand this determinant, we can get 1 plus a square plus b square whole square into 1 into this, 1 into 1 minus a square plus b square minus a into this, a into this, that is minus on the plus, 1 minus a square plus b square plus 2a square, that is equals to 1 plus a square plus b square. This can be written as 1 plus a square plus b square whole cube. Thank you student. Like this video, subscribe my channel Easy Learning. Bye, take care.